So how do you search 7,000 stocks in under 3 seconds to find a stock that you might want to look at trading? Well, I'm going to show you. Here I've got a charting software program, and as you can see right here in this area, it says that there's over 7,000 stocks in the watch list, and what we want to do is narrow it down using a certain set of criteria, basically from a trading method where we use a particular set of criteria to zero in on the stocks that are going to be the highest profit potential. So here, for example, we've got Apple showing up in the chart here, and it's $131 a share. Well, I think I want to stick with stocks that are between $10 and $20. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up here into this link that says a little FX, which is basically for putting in your own criteria, your personal criteria formulas. And as you can see, you can have all kinds of different criteria in here. But if I select a new criteria, I can enter in a name, say price 10 to 20. And when I select OK, that's going to give me this formula editing bar. So I'm going to select the close last price, and I'm going to insert that as of today. And you can see that that symbol is just a C. So C stands for closing price of today. And I'm going to say that's going to have to be greater than 10, and I want the closing price of today to be less than 20 as well. So now I'm going to save that, and we can see that it appears here in the personal criteria formula. Well, now we have to create an easy scan. So I'm going to select easy scans, and again the new easy scan button here, and I'm going to say, okay, I don't want to select all items in the system. I want to go with just all stocks. So you can see our stock count is at over 7,000. Now I'm going to add a new condition and say, okay, I only want stocks that are priced from $10 to $20, and it says, oh, but the item has not been calculated yet. Would you like to calculate it? Yes. And then we add that criteria in, and we can see that the number of stocks has dropped dramatically to just under 2,000 stocks. So now every new criteria that we add, it drops the number of stocks. And when you're trading a particular method, you're going to have a lot of criteria, be it moving averages or stochastics or whatever the criteria is that you're using for that particular method. And then you're going to say save and type in a name such as my scan. That's fine. So now when we do this scan, all we have to do is come up here into the easy scans and select my scan, and it'll show us the number of stocks. Notice there's 974 stocks with just those couple of criteria. Now here's an example that I want to show you where I'm going to use a scan that's been previously set up for, let's say, Market Mastery Protege Program, and we're going to say Method 2 downtrend. So we're going to look for stocks that are trending down using Method 2 of the Market Mastery Protege Program. And when we click on that, it's going to scan all 7,000 stocks and give us the stocks that meet those criteria. And as you can see, you can select the different stocks, and you can determine whether or not those particular stocks are stocks that you want to get into a trade on based on the trading method that you're trading. So that's how you search more than 7,000 stocks in under 3 seconds. You set up all your criteria, you set up your easy scan, you come in here, you select an easy scan like Method 3 uptrend for the Market Mastery Protege Program, and look, we've got 4 stocks that we can analyze to see if we want to get in on a trade. This has been Mark with MarketMasteryBlog.com, brought to you by 20-Minute Traders, and you can get more information on this and much other stuff, including a free Market Mastery Protege Program giveaway at www.marketmasteryblog.com. Thanks and good trading.